Hey, my name is Bryce J. Tubbs, and I cannot wait to share with you where to start a bookkeeping business. Okay, so I saw this question posted on this one platform. It's called Answer the Public, and a lot of people were asking this. They're asking, where do I start? Where to get started? How to do it? Like, what are the steps to do this and grow this business? So I'd love to be able to share with you. I got started with mine about 7 years ago, and there were a lot of mistakes that I made along the way, and I would love to be able to help you really get through these mistakes so you can just avoid them. Now, if you want to go and reach your goal the fastest time frame possible, I invite you to go and book a call below to work with me personally. Okay, there is a fee to work with me, but it's generally very, very low in comparison to the amount of money that you're going to make. Now, if that's you, go ahead, click the link either above or below the video. I'd love to see you on the call and see exactly how I can help you out. Now, just diving into this. So where to start, okay? So the short answer is we are in the best time in human history to start a business, okay? There's never been a time where you can just log onto your computer, go on your phone, and start interacting with people who are making 7, 8, 9, even Bill. You can even talk to billionaires. If you go on Twitter, you can talk to Bill Gates. So the first answer, so where to get started, is directly where you are, okay? So using LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Most people have not used LinkedIn, to try and actually get clients when they're first starting, but you need to go and utilize this. All three of these platforms are your tools that you're going to be using to go and get, 100,000, 200, maybe your goal might be $300,000 plus you want to be making per year, okay? These are three things. Those are three platforms that are going to get you. Now let's talk about 3 tips. Okay, so number 1 is start where you are. Okay, start going and talking to people. You have LinkedIn, you have Facebook, you have Instagram. In a second, I'll tell you specifically how to use each one of those platforms because they are slightly different in how you use them, but the general philosophy is the same. Now, no matter what you do, you're going to have to get used to kind of putting yourself out there a little bit. Now, when I say putting yourself out there, all I mean is just, talking to people on social media and asking if they want someone to help them with their accounting or bookkeeping. And oftentimes they're going to say yes because every single business needs this. It's just, are they at the right stage to pay you the amount of money that we need in order to go and reach our goal? What I mean by that is some businesses are just getting started and they need this more than ever, and they're going to get on your calls. But those are generally not the ones that are going to pay you, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month. Instead, we need to be looking at, companies doing 6, 7, or even 8 figures, because those are the ones that are easiest for them to pay you the higher prices per month. So let's kind of dig into how we do this. Okay, so what does the process look like? So the process from start to finish. Okay. Number 1, we got to be able to go and meet people. So we're going to be utilizing these social media platforms. Number 2 is we have to go and talk to them, okay? And we have to talk to them and ask if they want to get on a 15 or 45-minute call with us to see how, you can help them out. 3rd is you have to ask them for money on the call. 4th is they say yes, and then you do the work. That's it. It's a very simple. That's the process. If I had known that when I first got started, it would have been tremendously easy. Okay, that's all you need to be thinking. It's how can I go and can I book these calls for the 15 or 45 minutes and then ask them for money? Get a call, ask for money. Get a call, ask for money. Those are the 2 things that are in that process that are the most important thing. Now, as long as you have that, we can move forward and we can go and grow the business. Maybe you're already started and you just want to go and scale to your goal, or whatever the case might be. Either go ahead and click on the link either above or below the video, and it's going to take you to a link to book a call on my calendar to see if I can help you out. Okay, there's a fee to work with me, but it's minuscule in comparison to what you gain when you actually get this stuff to work correctly for you. So I will talk to you soon, and I will see you on the call. Have a good one.